So let's walk through how you can copy a funnel in Convertri. It's so easy, so this will be a nice quick video. I've done this with other web builders, including Elementor, WordPress, and they all make it pretty easy, but it is not nearly as easy as it is in Convertri. So let's quickly take a funnel created in one account, and you can either copy it within that same account, or you can even copy it to a whole nother account, which gets a little bit more difficult in some other web builders. But let's start by taking this test funnel, and we're going to click on More, then click on Share, and we're going to copy the share code, and then I'm going to move over to a separate browser. And this is a totally separate account that I have, and all we have to do here is click Import Funnel, enter that funnel code that we just copied, and select Import. And then we're going to click Create Now. We'll call it Copied Funnel, and we'll put it on our domain and select Create. And that easy, it is copied over to your new account.